Hey y'all, Irix guy here, and this is where the 2020 Audi A4 spare tire is located. So all you do is just lift up your mat, and then you can, when you get in here, see I've already taken it out. When you get in here, you're gonna see this screwed on, which holds it in place. Now, see there it is tightened. So now this is back in there, but to remove it, you just simply twist counterclockwise, and then you can lift the spare tire out. See, so if you're stranded on the side of the road and this video helped, I hope it did. You know, like this video, subscribe to my channel, share with others, and y'all be safe. Thanks for your viewership, and y'all have a good day. Hey y'all, Captain Irix guy here. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you did, please be sure to subscribe. It's youtube.com/Irix guy, and ring that bell icon when you do, to be notified whenever I post another video. Thanks for your viewership, and y'all have a good day.